shock absorber rear sa Mitsubishi ASX model. So ito yung installation. Yan, ano tayo, kailangan yung safety pag trabaho, delikado. Ilagay natin to. So ito yung ano niya, yung bagong modelo niya. Ito yung part number sa Mitsubishi ASX model. Yan. Yan. So dalawang papalitan natin eh. Ito siya. Tanggalan natin. Yun. Yung was natin ito. Plus be careful this one, ha. So pull out. Already finished to dismantle. So this is the rubber damper. This is the part number. Rubber number. See? So this one. Careful this one. Careful. Warning this one, okay? So make it sure they have a balancing. So you see? So now it's balancing. Check here. So they have a gap. So make it center like this. So they have a guide. So may guide na siya. So i-release natin to. I-release ko para matanggal na. Now complete the install the shock absorber. Sa ASX model to siya. So para ma-release ano siya, complete na sa shock absorber. Ito install shock absorber rear. Ito inano ko na. So kailangan mag-jack dito for safety. So ito pag-install. It's already finished. So yung sa taas lang. Ano yung dito sa taas. Okay, dalawang ano to siya, to sa shock absorber rear. So yung ano, yung nut ito. It's already finished. So okay na to, install na yung shock absorber. So mahirap tatanggalin kasi ito yung ano, yung cover niya yung itong plastic para makita niyo sa upper side of the shock absorber. Sa shock absorber rear.